Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Sui coin. If you are a Sui coin holder, I'm sure you need no introduction about what has been happening with the price of Sui. And as we are going into Tuesday morning, you are seeing a little bit of red across the board. As far as the broader market is concerned, over the past few hours, you are seeing a little bit of a retracement. Some handful coins, of course, that are obvious, that are, pretty much holding, the momentum. Nero coin is, of course, one of them, and Sui is one of them, up a staggering 11%. And, when I pull out the charts, things will make sense. So, let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Sui right now, $2.12, up 11.4% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 13% in Bitcoin comparative. But most importantly, pay attention to the rank. It's currently ranked at the top 22 spot, guys. This is absolute madness that we're noticing. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about almost $6 billion. It's approaching 5.9, obviously heading towards 6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 1.8 billion dollars. Yes, you've heard that correct. And again, if you are part of the crypto Twitter community, I'm sure you guys know Sui has been trending on Twitter. That's absolutely crazy to even see right now. But let's shift our focus towards the price. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So as far as the Bitcoin dominance is concerned, you are seeing a Bitcoin dominance pretty much hovering around the 58.07%. So in terms of dominance picking up, we know as far as dominance goes, it's pretty much still on the verge of breaking towards another yearly high. And of course, when dominance goes up, usually altcoins do tend to kind of lag behind Bitcoin. Speaking about Bitcoin, if you're looking at BTC, we know about that wick yesterday up to that 64,500. Obviously, as we did start off Monday, you never saw the price actually complete that wick. And that is a very, very important level for the broader market, and especially for myself. If you guys follow my channel on a regular day-to-day basis, you guys know that's that $64,000 level that I have my eyes glued on, because that's where I turn bullish for the broader market. And obviously, as we did start off Monday, we actually retested 62,200. But you can see the price of Bitcoin is picking up a little bit of traction, going into Tuesday morning. Hopefully, we fill the wick. If we're able to do that, I think, the overall market will overcome, this minor red that we are seeing across the board. But with that said, let's waste no more time and shift our focus towards Sui, because the Sui holders right now are living in dreamland. And what I mean by dreamland is because Sui was able to retest none other than its all-time high, almost pretty much. I would say yes, it kind of retested its all-time high, and exactly what I projected in the last few updates that I have made for you guys regarding Sui, that that all-time high, the previous all-time high that we set for ourselves back in March, is going to be a massive hurdle coming in front of its price. So do expect a little bit of rejection, a little bit of consolidation around that range, and you can't make this up. We actually saw the price of Sui wicking all the way up to $2.17, so pretty much all-time high. And we actually did see a retracement down to 2.05 cents. So $2.05. And again, I want to show you guys this from a perspective of the hourly time frame. So, the closer picture. Let's give it a refresh live. It got stuck for us. Sui USDT. There we are. So let's switch our focus towards the hourly time frame, and you can really understand this from a better perspective. So retested $2.16.7, so pretty much all-time high. Saw a wick all the way down to $2 actually. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we actually saw Sui drop in about 8%, which quite a sharp drop after retesting a key resistance. But you could see the price, momentum is picking up. Why are we seeing rejections like this? Because of course, traders, the people that leverage trade, the bears and the bulls, their battle is obviously a continuous basis that happens in the crypto space. And obviously, the main goal for, the bears is to keep the price of Sui below the all-time high. But, obviously the bulls' main goal is to pump it up towards new all-time highs. And you can really see the steam the bulls really have right now. And, this rejection retest was something we saw coming, but the rejection was not a surprise at all. I'm not surprised at all at the fact that we have seen that play out. So, that kind of confirms as to what we've been talking about over the course of the last few updates. But the way SUI is holding right now against the broader market, guys, this is something that pretty much is replicating phantom moves. And again, that does not necessarily mean that it's going to get to that phantom market valuation. It might be able to, but that's where the speculation aspect lies. But SUI is literally on the verge, and again, I repeat, literally on the verge of retesting at the all-time high. Once again, only a 3.43% move. If that is able to break out this time around, pretty much price discovery mode then, and that is where excitement kicks in. And the fact that SUI is doing this right now, or with Bitcoin not even close to its all-time high, speaks for itself. So it's pretty much having a head start. So very, very interesting things happening with SUI. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys personally think. What are your personal projections? And shout out to anyone that bought back SUI around the August lows, pretty much the yearly lows. And also what I want you guys to continuously remember is, do not forget to lock in profits or have stop losses in place. I cannot stress this enough. But with that said, we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.